Okay, so this is that was the maternity pen that me and my girlfriend built while I was in Moors Island. Um, what's this? Um, yeah. So this was it. But now he's switching this. At least I trying to do some quick, unrealistic repairs. Some unrealistically fast repairs. So I take down this wall. And they trying to hurry up put this back in so I could put the piglet in for a while I out to sea. So she don't be wandering around the yard because in the night she's be up wandering too much, especially with the full moon and then she's be up all night. So yeah, you have to do this to lock her in quick. Um, I don't know if I can get this amount board today, but I can nail 2 pieces of 2x6 about here and a little bit around, roughly around the 2 lines, and go from there. All right, so yeah.